Okay, on this lesson, I want to show you how to insert a table. All you do is highlight the data and you go to Insert and you see where it says Table and it will designate the range. This is the range of all this data. And you say, OK. Now you can see the table has been created using the data that you have here. And this is as easy as it gets. You can actually click on here and double click and actually name this. You see? Watch. HELLO. And you hit enter. So you can name them by double clicking in that area and deleting the name that's there. Now, at the same time, if you would like to add a column, you see the little handler down here in the corner? Click on it when it turns into the diagonal arrows and drag it. That's as easy as that. So this is just an easy way, and this is how you actually insert a table. That's it. And you actually designate exactly what you want to call it. You can put Carl here. Well, not on yours. But you see, you can name the columns. That's how you insert a table into the data that you have there.